Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR HS80 RGB Wireless gaming headset. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CORSAIR HS80 RGB Wireless gaming headset is a premium choice for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand crystal-clear audio, responsive performance, and all-day comfort. From the moment you put it on, you can feel the quality and thoughtful design that CORSAIR has built into this headset. It features a lightweight comfort design with plush memory foam ear cups and an adjustable headband that ensures long gaming sessions are completely fatigue-free. Whether you're in a marathon session of competitive FPS games or immersed in story-driven adventures, the headset stays secure and comfortable while maintaining excellent sound isolation to keep distractions out. One of the standout features of the HS80 is the Hyper-Fast SLIPSTREAM Wireless technology, which delivers extremely low-latency audio with high-quality fidelity. This ensures that every shot, step, or in-game sound effect is transmitted instantly and accurately, giving gamers a competitive advantage in fast-paced gaming environments. The headset also supports Dolby Atmos on PC, providing an immersive 3D audio experience that places you right in the center of the action. You can hear directional cues with remarkable precision, from the quietest footsteps to distant gunfire, which can make all the difference in competitive gameplay or simply elevate your gaming immersion to a cinematic level. Audio quality is further enhanced by custom-tuned 50mm high-density neodymium drivers, which produce rich, detailed sound across a wide frequency range from 20 Hz to 30,000 Hz. This means you can hear everything from subtle in-game whispers to the deepest explosions with clarity and depth. Music playback also benefits from this expansive frequency response, providing a clear and dynamic experience for gaming, streaming, or everyday media use. The headset is versatile and compatible with multiple platforms, including PC, Mac, PS5, and PS4, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for gamers who play across different systems. For those who stream or communicate frequently, the broadcast-grade omni-directional microphone captures your voice with outstanding clarity. It includes a flip-up mute function and a built-in LED mute indicator, so you always know when your mic is live or muted. This makes it perfect for team-based multiplayer games, professional streaming, or video conferencing, ensuring your voice is transmitted crisply without picking up excessive background noise. The integration with CORSAIR iCUE software allows full control over RGB lighting, EQ settings, and performance profiles, so you can personalize the headset to match your setup and gaming style. The HS80 RGB Wireless is built with durability in mind, featuring premium materials and a robust construction that can withstand the rigors of daily gaming. Yet despite its sturdy build, it remains lightweight and comfortable, striking a perfect balance between resilience and wearability. Whether you're gaming at home, competing in tournaments, or streaming online, this headset delivers a consistent and immersive audio experience, along with elegant aesthetics thanks to customizable RGB lighting. In conclusion, the CORSAIR HS80 RGB Wireless gaming headset combines comfort, premium audio, advanced wireless performance, and versatile platform compatibility into one complete package. From immersive Dolby Atmos sound to hyper-accurate low-latency wireless technology, from detailed 50mm audio drivers to a professional-grade microphone, this headset is designed to enhance every aspect of your gaming and content creation experience. If you want a headset that offers both exceptional performance and comfort for hours of play, while also looking sleek and modern on your desk or gaming setup, the HS80 RGB Wireless is an outstanding choice that meets the needs of both casual and professional gamers alike.